Module 1, the theory. Chapter 1, what's the first thing I need to start? To start, you simply need to be willing to mess up, to make mistakes, to learn on the job. In this game, it's not usually the best and most talented that succeed, it's the most relentless and consistent. Part of that is learning how to get out of your own way. The first way is simple. Make this one your mantra. Focus on the process. There's a saying, the person who enjoys the walk will go further than the person who enjoys the destination. Basically, don't focus on the views, focus on being consistent and creating content that you believe in. Think about your favorite content creator or the content creators that you see doing well or you see the most on social media. I guarantee you that they all have one thing in common. They will be consistent. So that is an absolute key when it comes to content creation. The second hack that I use is to remember that perfection is actually a myth. Have you ever made a video and ended up not posting it because you felt that it could have been better? This is very normal. But while it's important to have standards, it's equally important not to fall into the trap of being paralyzed by perfectionism. I used to really struggle with this until I discovered a nice mental hack to override it. Basically, as you are studying your craft, improving your skill set and self-developing, in 5 years' time, you will become a better version of yourself who is far more competent than what you are today. So your work that you may feel is perfect today, the likelihood is that the future you will see all sorts of flaws, mistakes, shortcomings, and things that you could have done better. So basically, your perception of perfection is likely to change over time. So the best approach is to do your best today, but at some point, draw a line in the sand, put your work out into the world, and don't be paralyzed by perfectionism because that's like chasing the treasure at the end of a rainbow. 10 videos at 90% is better than one video at 100% perfect. What I do is imagine myself 5 years in the future. I've grown and developed, picked up new skills and refined my techniques. What I think is perfect today, future me will no doubt look back and know that it's not. So why fight it now when all you're going to do is get better anyway? Get it out there and move on to your next project.